I think my pet theory has always been that the energy being created from the waste product made the most sense when there was a renewed interest in renewable energy in Ontario. And we decided that we wanted to follow that trend in a manner that would be adopted by our industry.
This is a diagram, a schematic drawing of the gas flow at our most recent project, Rural Green Energy, which is building a fueling station in Woodstock, Ontario. The whole premise of the project is to build a fueling hub for local fleet owners, municipal applications. Phase one of the project allows us to draw natural gas from the pipeline, compress the fuel, and store it and dispense it into vehicles. Phase two of the project will be the building of the anaerobic digester on a neighboring farm. Oxford Cattle Company, one of the part owners of Rural Green Energy, will build that digester. We'll draw that biomethane off the digester. We'll clean it up. We'll also inject that into the pipeline, take it down the road, compress it, put it into storage, and dispense it into vehicles.
I got involved with Rural Green Energy. It was something that looked into the future and the need for renewable energy as far as cleaner environment. We do have a monopoly here in Southwestern Ontario for almost all the waste products. That's from waste vegetables, waste potatoes. It's a processing area, so all these places are close to us. Plus, we have the manure from the beef feedlot and a lot of it. And with the combination of all these products to put through a digester, it made a lot of sense to us to produce natural gas.
Yeah, so as we come down the road, we're going to find the location where we're going to put our anaerobic digester. The gas that's there, one of the plans is the main plan is to inject it into the natural gas pipeline. In order to do that, we have to clean the gas from its dirty state as raw biogas to clean renewable natural gas, which is methane. With our gas, because of the standards and the equipment that we use, it actually comes out at a higher purity level than normal natural gas. So we're injecting a cleaner product into the natural gas pipeline than you would get normally in your home. So this is a station designed so that we can kind of multiply serve remote users, either producers of biogas so that we can bring their gases in and have a place to retail them. We could also bring hydrogen in through these bays and blend it within the CNG and run the vehicles on partial blends of hydrogen through the control system that's integrated into the control building. The other purpose of the bay is to fill trailers for remote users so that we can bring corn dryers, chicken barns, other rural users of fuel that are currently using propane, bunker fuel, more expensive oils and fuels, to bring them to a cleaner burning, lower carbon fuel.
I'm Greg Richardson. I'm the fleet manager here with Noblewood Transport. We were looking into doing something a little different 2 years ago. Fairmore came to us with the idea of running a dual fuel system. So when we costed it all out, we can see that we would save in our emission system. That was a big bonus for us. And then there was a performance increase and a fuel mileage increase. So we started about 2 years ago with one system, and then we've moved on. At this point, we have 4 systems running. One of the things we were concerned with in the beginning is driver buy-in. You've got to have driver buy-in or the system's never going to work. You're bound for failure. So there's got to be something there for them. And with the performance increase in the engine and the engine runs smoother and better. So the driver buy-in has not been a problem whatsoever. Once they get it on the truck and get using it, they absolutely love it.
The 5-acre site itself, behind me, strategically located just south of the 401 corridor. We see we're home to a large number of return to hub fueling fleets here in the Woodstock area. We feel that there are good candidates for CNG adoption, and I think that certainly the interest in the market so far has been quite positive.